Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So it was a good weekend at the Doncaster boat sale. I didn't get any footage, I didn't have time as I was on the stall. But if you head over to Scott Winard, Let's Do Bonsai, or Xavier Bonsai Retreat, they haven't got some good footage. So if you want to say that, head over to them. The whole purpose of going down there was to get rid of some trees. But as you know, in bonsai, you say something, you get it. So I'll come back with 3 trays and some pots. So I'll bring you in, give you a look at them. But I'm pleased the wife doesn't go off it, because I could have been kicked out of the house. No Foster's the dear, just the coffee. And it's not vodka, it's coffee. So what I'll do is I'll show you what I got from Doncaster boat sale. First up is a red glazed pot, which I got for the Juniper. It's just a little cheapie. I don't know if I'm going to put it in it, or I might use it as a training pot for it until I get one commissioned. But we'll see what that looks like in the spring on that. Bought a nice little unglazed pot. It's only about £9. I don't know what I'm going to put in that, but I'll find something. I keep putting my head out the camera. I've got 4 little Walsall ceramic accent pots, because you know I like my little trays or accents in there. So I think them were 3 for 12 quid, and he holders one in for nothing, which was very kind of him. Walsall ceramics make good pots, they always have, and I like the Walsall. As you know, every year at the Doncaster boat sale they have a charity auction, and I like to bid on the charity auction. So I bidded on the Tony Remington pot, which is a nice pot. I think it was either 20 quid or 25 quid, can't remember. I was just bidding because it was charity. So it's a nice pot, it'll be about a £45–50 pot that. Also bidded on a scroll, just from when you show your trays, you can hang it in the background, just like a bit of decoration. And I think that was £20 in all, but they were for sale, and I'm sure they were £30 to £40. So that's it for the pots and that. Now the trays. Go down to get rid and come back with more. So this was out the auction, Japanese white pine, Japanese imported. I won the bid on that for 60 quid, £60. So not a bad tray, we'll be able to make something out of it. It's got a lot of movement in it. So that'll be in the spring, that, or I might just put it in a bigger pot and let it go for a year. This is a bit long, needs cutting back, but I'll find out better when I get that sorted. I sold a maple group, and then it'll come back with another Japanese maple. It's got a bit dieback on it, but by the time we prune it back next spring, it'll shoot off. That was 20 quid. Nice little cheap pot. So didn't like the tray, the pot's alright for 20 quid. Then I couldn't help myself. I seen this Escalonia and I thought, I want that. I'll bring you in and show you it. So that's the Escalonia. It's already got some carving done on it up here. There's a lot I can lose on this. I was thinking, how am I going to do this? Maybe it's a cascade. I don't know if you can see there because I'm out the way. Cascade or something. Get rid of them. get rid of all the stuff at the top and start creating something out of that. I really don't know yet, but we'll find out. If I do put it in a cascade, I'll leave that one. These need to go because they're coming straight towards us at the front. These two here. That'll need shortening if it goes in a cascade, but we'll not know until we get the right angle in the pot. So that's all I got from the boat sale. I did sell a couple of trees, made a few quid, but I think I spent it back on all this. I'll come home with something. So that's it for my Doncaster experience. Like I say, head over to Scott's in Xavier's, then we'll have footage on. I just thought I'll give you a little video to show you what I got. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Ta-da, folks.